Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. So this week, we're going to be learning about our teen numbers and working with them on 10 frames. So last week we did 10 frames with numbers to 10, and now we're going to do them with numbers to 20. So the cool thing about when we see these two 10 frames, we know that if they're both full, they equal 20. But we definitely know that if the top one is full, it's already 10. So we don't have to count all of those dots all over again. So if you look at the first one, we're not going to cut out, by the way, we're not going to cut the numbers at the bottom out. We're just going to write them in the boxes. So the first one has a 10 on top and then 2. So I know that if it's 10 plus 2, the answer is going to be 12. So please write 12 in the box. So looking at the next one, this one right here, we have 10 on top and then 6 because we have 5 and 1. So 10 plus 6 is which teen number? Yeah, it's going to be 16. Okay, so let's do the next one. We have 10 on top and 5 on the bottom. So which teen number is 10 and 5? It's 15. Very good. Now let's look at the next one. It's going to be 10 plus 4 is going to be 14. Okay, so now I have Allie. She's going to help us do the last two problems. Allie's in 2nd grade. And so she's going to teach you how to do the next one.
Okay, so we have
10.
1, 10, and 1 more. So if we count 10 and then 1 more, that equals 11.
Good.
And then we have 10, and then there's 3 more. So if we count 10, 11, 12, 13, that equals 32.
Very good. Okay, let's turn it on the back. And on the back, this Allie, we're counting to 20.
Ooh.
So we're learning how to put numbers in order to 20. So what do we do here?
So
We're going to start counting at 1 and then fill in the missing numbers.
2. And then 1, 2, and now it's 3. And then 4, 5, and then 6,
And what comes after 6?
7.
And then we know we're on track because there's 8. And then what comes after 8?
9.
And
10.
good. And we're still doing it right because now we've hit 11. So we're going to count the number after 11 is
12.
good. And then after 12 is
13.
And are we still doing it right?
Yep.
How do we know?
Because there's the 14.
Okay.
And what comes after 3 is 4. So we know that from up here. And then we just add 1 down here. So after 14 is 15. And then after 15, it's 16. And we're on track because this is the same as this.
Yep. And after 17 is?
18, because there's an 8 right here. And then we just follow and add 1. And then once we get to 20, we go.
We're all done with that one.
Yeah.
So on the next one, Allie, we're not starting on 1 this time. What are we starting on?
3.
Okay, so does that mess us up at all, or can we keep going?
We can keep going.
All right.
So we just start at the 3 from up here, right here. So then it's 4. So we go to 4. And then it's 5. So we go to 5. And then we know we're on track because there's a 6 right here. And then there's going to be a 9 because we're on the track. And there's going to be a 12 because we're on track. So after 6 is 7. And after 7, it's 8. And after 9, we have 10. And now we're on track because we have this 9. And then after 10 is 11. And then we because we finished.
Good job. All right. And that's it.
Wow.
So what do we do when we're done? We turn it into our teacher.
And
Do what's next.
what's next?
Thank you, Allie.